Okay, call for another patrol car.
Can I get a 611 over?
What are you doing?
What?
You just ordered air support.
Oh, get a 461.
You...
What? Coppers.
Uh-oh.
This is car 15. I'm gonna need backup. I've got a stolen vehicle here.
But this is my car.
Suspect's getting belligerent.
What?
Officer down.
I've got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's my truck. He's got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's his truck. My truck's got big wheels, lots of big wheels, they're bloody huge wheels, it's got big wheels, he's got big wheels.
Oh, you fucking dickhead! What a dickhead! He had to fucking pop a wheelie in a fucking school zone. What a moron!
Specialize in unique farewells to suit your unique lifestyle. Special design coffins, live musicians, ocean funerals.
Oh, nice one, buddy. Hey! Fucking hell. What are you doing, man? Fuck. Oh, nice one, buddy. No fucking indicator or nothing.
Sammy, you will wreck the car.
There's so many codes in front of him. Oh, mate. Seriously. Seriously. Is the car too fucking big for you to drive, mate? Well, then maybe you should have stuck to a smaller vehicle. Nope, there's a rabbit again. Run, rabbit. Run, rabbit. Run!
Run, bitch! Run!
The right product and price range for your new bathroom, laundry or kitchen today.
Our sponsor, new with a U bathroom setter, 231 Brisbane Road, Bigger Waters, open 7 days. The purchase of a property.
Did they not know that their tailgate was open? Seriously? Oh, well done. Brilliant. You came around me when I'm doing the speed limit. For what? For what? No reason whatsoever. Come on. What the fuck are you doing? Fucking come on. How fucking slow do you want to go, mate? Oh, nice lane change, mate. Very nice lane change with no fucking indicator. Fucking dipshit. Oh, you fuckwit. You absolute fuckwit. How's you doing that?
That was Commissioner Walter Sofronoff speaking to the media this morning after handing down the findings of the Independent Commission of Inquiry into Forensic DNA.
Fuck you.
Well, let's...
Fuck you to the young out leg roll. Stop sign, mate. Do you know what a stop sign means? Ah! Whoa.
Oh boy. Okay.
The fuck? Why would you pull out?
Why the fuck would you pull out, you idiots? Jesus Christ, you fucking moron!
Fuck your mother. No thanks.
And keep the water out. And if it does get in, it's got pathways to get out, as opposed to in New South Wales and Victoria. Often